The cryptocurrency industry is booming as a result of the SEC's approval of the first Bitcoin futures ETF. We are in the midst of the NFT market gold rush, where digital art is purchased and sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars, so it's not only about Bitcoin. To gain a mind-blowing return on their money, more and more individuals are investing in ventures like CryptoPunks, the Dodge Pound, or Wrecked Raccoons. Some businesses also hopped on the NFT bandwagon as incidents of flipping NFTs for profits of over $4.4 million became more common. Most recently, Visa paid $149,939 for one CryptoPunk. As the nascent market takes momentum, thousands of innovators and artists have been following suit and starting their own NFT ventures. But in the end, the success of every NFT endeavor comes down to marketing. You must persuade the market that your NFTs are valuable. Most authors rely entirely on Twitter to spread their message, completely neglecting content marketing, the tried and true method of growing any brand. Here are 3 often overlooked pieces of material that may propel your NFT project to new heights. Number 1. A roadmap. Any successful NFT launch starts with a roadmap. The document mapping out the vision and strategy of the team behind the project to clearly communicate its long-term value. Creating a well-polished roadmap is a must since it's the very first thing any NFT investor is going to read through before buying anything from you. A great roadmap clearly and exhaustively covers the following: key project milestones as well as what will happen once they have been reached. For instance, you may want to run a giveaway once a certain percentage of your NFTs have been sold. The long-term goals of the project that ensure its survival for years to come, from implementing the staking functionality to redistributing some of the sales revenue earned back to your holders. The detailed plan outlining how the team will achieve the stated goals. Most NFT projects go only so far as outlining everything in a few paragraphs or one short blog post, and as a result, fail to attract and retain a stable user base. This creates an excellent opportunity for you to cut through the noise. Hire a freelance copywriter and graphic designer to create a downloadable PDF that clearly communicates your vision and gets you an instant boost in credibility. Number 2. White papers. A white paper is traditionally a long-form piece of material that extensively addresses a certain problem or topic, delving further than normal blog posts or articles. As a result, this content style provides enormous value to the reader while describing how a certain product or service might address an issue. You can use the same strategy to position yourself as an authority, increase your internet presence, and increase sales. To help you get started, here are some ideas of what you can cover in your white paper to promote your NFT project. A beginner's guide. With so many people new to NFTs, creating content that helps NFT newbies navigate the landscape can be a way to build rapport and engage your audience, resulting in more sales. Industry reports. Analyzing the NFT market trends is a great way to establish yourself as an industry leader. Project roundups. Since everyone is constantly on the lookout for new NFT opportunities, you can turn a list of promising projects into a white paper to quickly grow your audience. Additionally, it's a good idea to create a separate white paper tailored to companies or individuals with massive buyer power, or whales in crypto speak. Having just one or two whales backing you with their money and resources can completely change the trajectory of your NFT project, so the payoff can be tremendous. Number 3. Blog posts. For years, blogging has been the go-to way for companies to grow their online presence and secure a steady stream of new leads. Companies that regularly blog generate 55% more visitors than those that don't, combined with the fact that 71% of B2B consumers read blog posts before making a buying decision. Writing blog posts can help you dramatically expand your existing audience. Additionally, you can use tools like Ahrefs, Ubersuggest, or Google Keyword Planner to uncover keywords your target audience types into search engines when searching NFT projects.